In order to get your Squarespace site set up, we'll need to do a few things. On the edit page, first you'll need to disable Ajax. Since we use JavaScript, we need the page to be reloaded every time. In order to do that, you can go to Design, Advanced, Design Style Editor. And then just make sure this is unchecked. We've already unchecked it there, so that's good to go. And then what you want to do is pick up this code here. Make sure it's the use your own custom site widget, not the website builder for Squarespace. We'll actually have to change that soon. And then what you'll want to do is go back and edit pages. So one of the things you want to do is go to Advanced, and here's where you'll paste in your code. That's the code that we saw here. The next thing you want to do is grab this bit of code, go back to this page, and you'll see that within this edit content, you'll see this. And that's all you pretty much need to get running. Make sure you save it, and you have the page viewable. Now next time you go to that page, you'll see it load. And that's all there is to it.